Erokamano nyakwara Mogi, en thuolo machielo ma kelo ni weche manyien mag migago kowuok e Communication Center Nairobi, kama okuongo thuond weche.
So any breaches of the code of conduct, of course, will attract penalties, will attract some form of punishment, including fines.
Duol matayo yiero pacho ka IEBC okwayo jochung' mondo ta campaigns margi e yor kwe motelo ne yiero madundo.
To rech momedore e chiche biro nyuolo ohala mar mama samaki molo kaka 15,000 manitie sani.
Kambi mar Victory Farms oketo kenge mar medo loso nyithi rech kaka yo mar kedo gi nok mar rech e nam Lolwe.
Wakwayo jonyuol mondo migi ensure ni kata ka gidhi kanisa to gi ensure ni nyithindgi ochiemo, nikech yath mwadhi chiwo ni nyaka nyathi kuong chiemo.
Chenro machiwo yedhe mag kedo gi tuo mar kachocho kod tuoche mag njofni e kaunti ma Migori dhi nyime. Arwakini machiegni, nyinga Milton Ochieng'. Jakom duol mochung' ne yiero pacho ka IEBC Erastus Ethakon oyango ni gisetimo ikruok duto mar bago yiero madundo mochan bago tarik 27 dwe mar 11 higani e yo maratiro kendo mahuyanga. Ethakon nolero ni IEBC dhi nyime gi timo nonro e wi tulo kod lweny manchano muoche e kar chung' od bura ma Kasipul, kendo gichano madayo dho jochung' duto ma Kasipul chakre juma manyien e wi wach makamano. Ethakon nogolo siem mager ne jochung' mibiro yudi gi ketho mar muocho tulo e campaigns mag jochung' wetegi kata ng'iewo jogo ombulu ni ibiro kawnegi ondamo mager kama oting'o nyaka gol gi e yiero makamago. Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja bende nosingo ni obila dhi rakore kod ng'ata ng'ata mabiro ketho chik mar yiero.
The Commission has undertaken extensive preparations to ensure that we have peaceful, free, fair, and credible by-elections. We have trained the electoral officials on the work they are supposed to do, and we have prepared all the materials that are required for us to conduct and complete those elections successfully. We have empaneled the Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee, which will commence its work on Monday, to summon those candidates in Kasipul and anybody who has information on what happened in Kasipul. They will conduct the hearing, and within the shortest time possible will make determination on what needs to be done in as far as addressing the incidences in Kasipul are concerned.
The National Police Service will not allow, and we are going to do our work as guided by the Constitution. Right now in Kasipul, we are following up on all those who have committed several criminal acts. And it is the high time that those who have committed those crimes, and they are not already with us, they come forward to the police. Because our teams are out there, and we must get them.
Mana ndalo manok bang' jokedo ne ratich oganda ma jo Kenya we thuolo tok kanotegi e piny libamba ma Uganda kuom malo dwe achiel, kwayo koro imedo chwal ne sirikal ni mondo odew ngima jo Kenya ma pod isando e pinje ma oko mondo mi okonygi gi duog pacho. Kara kamano, moko kuom jotelo mawuok e alwora mag Gusii kwayo jokedo ne ratich oganda mondo mi luor chike mag pinje ma libamba kaka yo mar geng'o sand ma ginyalo kale ka ginie pinje mawendo. Magi timore e kinde mar riwruoge mag oganda to medo ywak e wi okenge mirocho godo ratich oganda to molo e kinde ni ma pinje ma libamba bedo gi yiero.
Activism should promote peace, and it is sad and unfortunate that we have Kenyans in our own country who will cross the border to go and cause chaos. That is absolutely not accepted. And I want to make it very clear that Kenya is a democratic country. There is freedom of speech, and in many countries it is not there. So people should not take advantage that in our constitution allows. We don't use the same constitution.
Therefore, those Kenyans who went to Tanzania, those Kenyans who went to Uganda, and any Kenyan who will be going to any other country, let him know very well the law applicable. First, the constitution applicable is the constitution of those countries. The Bill of Rights that we have in this country does not apply, and it's not binding to countries like Tanzania or Uganda. The penal code and any other laws applicable that deals with the politics of those countries will come into play.
Wakenya wamengoja kwa muda mrefu kuona hatua ambayo serikali inaichukua, na hilo limewakera sana wananchi wa Kenya, na activist wote wale wanaharakati wamekuwa wakingangania kuona kwamba uhuru wa kina Oyo, uhuru wao umepatikana. Lakini ni uhuru ambao umechukua muda mrefu sana kwa sababu ya hatua ambayo ilikuwa ya kujikokota. Sasa Wakenya tunahisi kwamba kuna namna ambavyo wanawashirikiana.
Nyasi maringo igni 20 madun bucho ODM dhi nyime kaunti ma Mombasa. Achiel kuom nyasi masani dhi nyime en mano mokelo kanyakla rowere ma jokanyo e duond bucho ODM. Moko kuom jotelo moseyore romono mar rowere gin kaachiel gi jakom duond burano Gladys Wanga, jalup jatend duond burano Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir, jatend migawo mar mwandu manie bwolo Hassan Joho, jagoro Edwin Sifuna, Felix Jalango kaachiel gi mamoko. Gie kinde ni jalup ogai mar ODM Simba Arati ema loso kendo adhi achiel kachiel nyaka Mombasa.
Nataka kwa wale wanaondoka, ni viongozi unakwenda kule kwa mkutano ya kina mama. Wacha nione Mombasa mpo. Hebu nione watu wa Mombasa kwa mkono. Okay. Ama Coast, sio Mombasa. Pwani. Hebu nione Pwani. Pwani wako wapi? Okay. Rift Valley. Jana jaoni nilikuwa na wengi sana. Eastern. Nyanza. Nairobi. Western wako hapa kweli? Western. Vitu mbili peke yake. Nataka niwaulize vijana wetu. Hiki chama kitaendelea mbele. Kitaendelea mbele na nyinyi. Na mimi kama deputy party leader wenu, tutasimama pamoja katika eneo zote za Kenya hii kuhakikisha kwamba chama cha ODM kimeshikana. Lakini vijana, mikutano yetu yote, nataka niseme, lazima ikuwe na adabu. We must be disciplined at all costs. Ndiposa tuchukue uongozi katika mwaka wa 2027. Nataka niwahakikishie, sisi, baba amelala. Yule ambaye ni party leader saa hizi ni Daktari Oburu Odinga. Ni mzee. Tutashikilia yeye, tuhakikishe kwamba chama hiki kimesimama. Kwa hivyo tafadhali kila mmoja wenu, SG wangu, hakuna vile tutawacha kiti hiki cha chama chetu kiende chini. Vijana wengi wamesema tafadhali msiuzwe. Don't be bought. Hatuwezi nunuliwa kivyo vyote vile. Vijana, hakuna lingine ambalo taelezekana kabla sisi hatujashikana. Mimi nawaomba, kama ni jera tutaenda pamoja. Kama ni tiaga tena itakuja, tutakula pamoja. Kama ni mapambano, tutapambana pamoja. Haki ya kila Mkenya lazima italindwa. Nataka niachie hapo. Mheshimiwa Gavana wa Kilifi yuko pamoja na sisi hapa. Mheshimiwa Mung'aro awasalimie.
Haya, vijana hoye! Vijana hoye! ODM! Waja tuone vijana, mbona hamna nguvu? ODM! Tuone kwa mikono kama mko tayari, mko tayari, mko tayari. Basi wacha pia mimi nichukue nafasi hii niwasalimie vijana na niwaambie hivi. Mara ya mwisho nilikuwa na baba kabla aende safari pale Malindi, aliniambia vijana lazima tuwalete pamoja na tuwaweke kwa siasa, tuwaongoze. Na leo tuko hapa na SG na viongozi wote tukisema kwamba vijana, nyinyi sio viongozi wa kesho tena, nyinyi ni viongozi wa leo. Kwa hivyo katika chama cha ODM mchukue fursa, mfanye bidii, na wale mnatoka Kilifi, wako wengine hapa wa Kilifi, mkitoka hapa muende Magarini. Hiyo ndio testi ya kwanza ya kujua tunamwenzi baba, kwamba kiti ya Magarini iende kwa ODM, si ndio? Nyinyi watu wa Kilifi mwende mlale huko. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Haya, asante sana. Tumefika kikomo kwa wale walikuwa wanaondoka. Sisi wengine wote tutasalia hapa tuketi na nyinyi tupige sherehe. Tumegawana kazi namna hiyo, si sawa? Asante sana. Program irudi huku, wakimaliza tutawatambulisha wabunge wote ambao wako hapa na mtasalimia. Mheshimiwa Alado, jameni, nimesema nimemaliza kipindi ya watu wanaenda. Sikujua unaenda. Kuja basi kwa dakika moja tu tafadhali. Lakini hakuna mwingine tutaruhusu aende sasa. Tutabaki sisi wote.
Nairobi oye! Nairobi oye! Alado wa George, nawapenda vijana. Siku mwingine ni gurudumu ya chama cha ODM. Mungu awabariki.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Tangu nikujue, today you have been the briefest. Thank you very much. Program back to you. Alafu mtatupea sisi wale tutakuwa tunamalizia.
Sasa na waziri wa sherehe. Waziri wa sherehe.
Darua mimi ikishika sana toa ulimi sakozi kipanda cheza na nani chikivile dobe metubeba tingisha kichwa tuongeba ulete makohala sitoki kuna wazi
Pulo.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dream.
Natasha, nipe ile trivia kwa screen.
Kila mtu akona simu, si ndio?
Kila mtu akona simu? Aya basi, Natasha nipatie ile QR code. Very nice.
Aya.
Ukiangalia screen yako, especially hiyo kubwa, tupatie pia kwa hizo screens pia.
Eweche mamoko eni Mwigulu Nchemba ochamo muma yanga kaka Prime Minister mar piny Tanzania e nyasi manotelie gi jatend pinyno Samia Suluhu Hassan. Jatend piny Tanzania Samia nowalo Laktar Nchemba kaka Prime Minister mar pinyno tarik 13 dwe mar 10 ka welo mare bende nosidhi gi od bura mar pinyno. Tok Prime Minister nochamo muma, igeno ni jatend piny Suluhu biro lando jatend migepe mage. Nyasi mar sidho Prime Minister noyuorie kod jotend piny machon ma Tanzania Jakaya Kikwete, jalup jatend piny machon Philip Mpango kaachiel kod Prime Minister machon Kassim Majaliwa gi Mizengo Pinda.
Nguo za kuvaa ni shida, kiatu ni shida mali.
Mimi Mwigulu Lameck Nchemba naapa kwamba nitakuwa mwaminifu kwa Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania na kuitumikia kwa moyo wangu wote, na kwamba nitaihifadhi, nitailinda na kuitetea Katiba ya Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania kwa mujibu wa sheria iliyowekwa. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu nisaidie.
Dr. Mwigulu, kama tulivyosema wakati wa kampeni na kama ilani yetu ya uchaguzi ya Chama cha Mapinduzi ya mwaka 2025-2030 inavyosema, kuna mengi tumewaahidi wananchi. Ukiangalia mambo yote na muda tulionao, muda ni mfinyo. Hivyo hatuna budi kuongeza kasi katika utendaji wetu. Wewe utakwenda kulisimamia baraza la mawaziri ambao nao wanaongoza sekta tofauti. Ni wajibu wako kuhakikisha kasi ya utekelezaji wa yale tuliyopanga inaongezwa ili tuweze kuyatimiza ndani ya muda mfupi.
Migao mar somo kwayo kuonde tiegruok mag mbalariany mantie e pacho ka mondo miyo ikre mar rwako somo manyasani kata CBE ka jopuonjre mokwongo donjo e grade mar 10 higa mabiro. Kanowuoyo nyasi mar sidho ogudu ne jopuonjre e mbalariany ma Alupe, jagoro mongirore migao mar somo mamalo Beatrice Nyangala owacho ni sirikal mamalo chano okenge ma ibiro tigodo e sikunde mag mbalariany e kinde ma girito jopuonjre mabiro donjo e somo manyasani ma CBE bang' timo penj mag grade 12. Seneta ma Busia Okiya Omtata bende nokwedo yore ma omenda mag somo itiyo godo kowacho ni ok giluwore gi katiba.
Preparing our universities to receive learners trained under the competency-based education. The CBE represents a paradigm shift from memorization to mastery, from instruction to innovation. The Ministry of Education will remain steadfast in implementing reforms that make higher education more inclusive, practical, and globally competitive.
So you look around and you see children have been sent away from school because of school fees. You get the ministry giving a fee structure. What are they doing to that from the Constitution? Why should there be a fee structure when the Constitution says the child is entitled to free and compulsory education? And we have enough money in this country to give every student, every pupil in school up to first degree without requiring them to pay any tuition fees or anything like that.
We ask continue investing in public universities like Alupe, support research, innovation, and student welfare. When you invest in universities, you invest in Kenya's future.
Jatend piny William Ruto dhi nyime gi limbe mare gwenge ma Ukambani ka odiechieng' ma kawuono ogoyo tach e kaunti ma Machakos. Okinyi ma kawuono Ruto notelo ne nyasi ma chako ayanga gedo mar apaya ma Kangundo kochomo Mwala e kar chung' bura ma Kangundo. Ruto noyango ni sirikal mare oseketo tenge omenda maromo bilion 25.5 ne chenro mag dongruok e kaunti no. Ruto noten gi jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki gi jotelo mamoko.
Daktari William Ruto rais wetu anapozindua barabara.
William Ruto amefanya na Fabian miaka 3 na Fabian ameleta lami ambaye imetafutwa kwa miaka 60. Hiyo ni ukombozi, sio ukombozi? Mimi kwangu tumekaa miaka 60 bila barabara. Jana rais ametupea barabara ya lami kilomita 35. Hiyo ni ukombozi, sio ukombozi?
Maana ya kupigania uhuru ilikuwa ni watu wetu wapate barabara kama hii ya lami tunaiweka hapa leo. Ilikuwa ni watu wetu kahawa yao iwatokee pesa ndio tuondoe umaskini. Ilikuwa ni watu wetu wapate stima. Ilikuwa ni vijana wapate kazi. Lakini zaidi ya miaka 60 tangu tupate uhuru, hiyo haijafanyika. Wewe ndio umeleta uhuru wa pili kwa watu hapa Kangundo kuwaletea barabara zao.
Sasa rais amesema ya kwamba sisi kama serikali tuhakikishe kwamba kila sehemu ya Kenya imepata haki yake ya maendeleo. Na kusikue kuna sehemu yoyote ya Kenya ambayo imewachwa nyuma ati kwa sababu ya kura, kwa sababu ya vyama, kwa sababu ya dini. Kenya yetu ni moja, tunahitaji umoja wa taifa, na hii umoja wa taifa utapatikana kama tutafanya maendeleo katika kaunti zetu 47 kwa usawa.
Mimi nimefika hapa leo na matingatinga. Na serikali tumewapatia shilingi bilioni 1.1 ya kutengeneza hiyo barabara. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Hawa watu wangu walikuwa wamesema ya kwamba iende mpaka Kivaani, nimewaambia hapana, iende mpaka Mwala. Si ndio? ndio mambo ya usafiri ya sehemu hii iweze kwenda mbele. So mi nataka niwaambie wale majamaa wanajaribu kushindana na sisi, watu ambao hawana, na unajua ukiwasikiza watakuja hapa, mtawasikia watakuwa tu na maneno tatu, watakuja waseme one term, Kasongo must to go. Hiyo ni ujinga, si ujinga? Ni ujinga, si ujinga? Mambo ya barabara hawajui, mambo ya stima hawajui, mambo ya KMTC they don't know.
Erokamano Nyakwaramogi, en thuolo mar kawo yweyo mokwongo chenro mar migago. Aneno ote mar Baodeno moja mar Gemgot Regea Ramogi TV ler kendo migago chopo no yo makare. Kaeto machielo bende wacho ni hawe mabene Kangeso High School kod Kamgundo School, mano Eli Jakoyar. Machielo bende wacho ni aneni kabete oto kiane okondiko nyinge. Machielo bende wacho ni it's me Agatha enjoying news from Eldoret Langas, napata habari clear ka achamo bilauri AGP. Jadolo anakwayo ni kaka wan jolemo walamne Kenya ndalo duto kendo mosna ochopni e studio kanyo un gi Mary Ann Morris. Erokamano. Sara Singa Nyakwaro Dongo mar Wang'nen West Kanyamkago owacho ni migago ler. Aneno gi baba wa Sara Singa mogik. An koda ote machielo ka okay. Oraro wuod Jama Binjo imbedi wacho ni neno wa eyo makare. Nyakwaramogi wadhi yweyo matin waduogo gi mathoth, kik idhi mabor.
Na to kori winjo kika winj kucha koluongane mbabas nikech koro uneno kama ngi pesa moro matin.
View sasa ndio nyumbani kwa the best local dramas.
Nataka ripoti ya Hansi pamoja na mkewe.
Comedy za kuvunja mbavu. Telenovela bora zaidi kwa lugha yako.
Anaere aina Prita. Tokendo kimora mare wi mora.
Na sasa una nafasi ya kushinda zawadi nono ndani ya promotion kubwa ya Jipange na View sasa. Shinda 50,000 kila siku, $500,000 kila wiki na grand prize ya 2 million shillings.
Wow.
Ingia kwa View sasa hivi kwa kupitia paybill 724177 au tembelea viewsasa.com. Weka nambari yako ya simu kama akaunti yako, kisha weka 50 bob tu na upate content na point na uende kama mshindi. Ingia mara nyingi uwezavyo. Kila ukiingia kwa View sasa unaongeza nafasi yako ya kushinda. Imeidhinishwa na BCLB number.
Dhako muol kadonjo, matiende ni bedo ni ng'ato ling' e kinde ma owendo ok ofulo ni omuol. Samoro en kod kido mamoko.
I knew that whatever happened was something that I could explain. In fact, I thought I was going to explain. But then the whole thing just went south. And I just got drowned in it. And whatever happened then happened. But resilience, that one I should thank God.
Watch this story and more. Download the Citizen Digital app or visit www.citizendigital.com and find the Citizen Originals portal.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
Kipando. Mama nsani kora seng'eyo. Gimobera jif no kobiro korwa mondo kawa kawanwa seti marus.
An karango nyako ni kamae. Aneno ka eno nyalo timo gimarach ahinya.
Donge ni wachona? Kapo ni gimarach motim na ok anyal weyo, kik apar gima ji bo paro kuoma. Anatim gima chunya wachona.
This festive season, let your love story take flight through Istanbul glowing streets and Cappadocia's timeless skies, because togetherness deserves a destination as unforgettable as your bond. A journey that feels like falling in love all over again. Enjoy 8 remarkable nights in Turkey from just $2,280 per person sharing. Explore culture, color, and charm. And yes, you can pay with our Lipa Pole Pole plan. This December, make time for love, laughter, and discovery. View travel, moments that matter, memories that last.
Woktich ka woktich wakelo ni don ya wotonagi.
Kabinet chario kati chario nyakurunga juang en odiochieng' mar yuto mari. Chieng' tich adek kati tich adek nyakurunga juang en odiochieng' mar mine nyalo kachiel koda weche hera.
Awendo kachopo tich ang'wen nyakurunga juang wakelo ni kama nene, yani TBT kod thumbe mamit mokalo. Furahi the edition and thum kaliech.
Loso kapuoyo nyakurunga juang.
Ka wakelo ni jothumbe mopogore opogore.
Kanyo ndo bende wakelo ni gimiluongo ni Bes Yawa.
Mondo miud thuma mar Exna kaka skiza tune mare di star 860 418 hash. Ramogi TV e audio thumbe duto.
Machiegni kendo riwruok mar jopuonje ma sekondar kod primary okwayo jopuonj mondo mi otim kungo mag omenda mabiro konyogi e kinde ma gisedhi rutaya. Jotend jopuonjgo wacho ni thoth jopuonj yudo pek bang' bolo kalam ka gionge yore mag yuto ma pile ka pile. Jombetre e sekta mar somo bende okwa mondo mi jopuonj tiegruok malong'o kaka ginyalo dak e kinde ma ok ginie tich. Riwruok jopuonj NATCO machielo bende okwedo dwaro mar jopuonj junior school madwaro ni mondo gichung' kar kendgi.
It is indeed very pragmatic for teachers to invest in SACCOs and also think of the future, because teachers nurture children who have been poor in saving culture, and therefore when they start saving, by osmosis they will be teaching children the saving culture, which is critical for the future economic growth of this country. Saving is very cardinal for us to grow as a country.
Maneno ya wale waja wa miujiza tumezungumza, kweli si kweli? Tumewapatia mambo mangapi? Tumewapatia mambo mangapi? We are saying hatutaki siasa na watu heshimu. Hawawezi, they move to senior schools.
We had Kenya Junior Secondary examination, true or false. We had O-level exams, true or false. Form 4 and Form 5 higher education exams. They were all under one principle of institution. The issue of autonomy does not exist here or there. If we are true to what we mean to be, anybody shouting around of autonomy, 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 this is totally misplaced.
Jopuonje ma junior school mawuok e county ma Kilifi owacho ni gibiro dok bago ng'anyo ka dwachgi ma ndikogi e yo mongirore ok ochoketie tim. Gilero ni gisebedo ka gidhi nyime kod tich kod jowetegi ma bende osendiki e yo mongirore ka giywak ne duol ma TSC kuom chunogi keto kokgi e orak ma kinde ka kinde ma kinde gichuok mondo mi gidhi nyime gi tich.
We have a shortage of teachers in junior secondary. And these teachers have a lot of work that they are doing. But the amount of money they are given, they are being paid 17,000. This amount of money is not even enough to pay for their houses.
A contract that was signed by these teachers with the Teacher Service Commission is a 1-year contract. And we want to call upon the Teacher Service Commission to take this matter seriously and confirm these teachers so that they can get employment on permanent and pensionable terms. This one we demand.
Kazi pale kwa affordable housing, tufanye mjengo kwa sababu hii pesa tunapewa haitoshi.
Most of us, we are surviving. The 17K that's given to us is not enough to manage our families. That money is very less. If we could be debating, we're just saying that the MPs are going with OMA with about 25,000 shillings for airtime. Right now, unanipea 17K mimi. I'm unable to marry and I'm unable to manage my family at home.
Chenro machiwo yedhe makedo gi tuo mar kachocho kata tuoche mag njofni chenro misiro kod riwruok mar thieth e piny mangima The World Health Organization kotenore kod kaunti ma Migori dhi nyime. Mana kaka jafwambo marwa e kaunti ma Migori George Juma lero, jolony weche mag thieth wacho ni tuo mar kachocho nyalo mana rumo kochopo higa 2030 kaka igeno, mana ka piny owacho bende omedo keto maino e kedo gi tuoni.
Chenro ni machiwo yedhego mag tuono mar kachocho kaachiel kod tuochego mag njofni ne oyaw ayanga kod jachiw paro e wechego mag tuoche mane osejwang' ka iparono oserumo mon kaka neglected tropical diseases. Riwruogno mar World Health Organization Dr. Joyson Songo bende kodhi nyime nyaka tarik 16 mar dweni get nyithindogo mag sikul ma ikindigni 5 nyaka 14.
Particular ones. There are other 20 diseases that we need to look at and to eliminate. But this one is aiming at eliminating as a public health problem so that below 2%, we know we have now eliminated this as a problem in this country. So we have a strategy to end. We are ending these diseases. We don't want them anymore to continue.
Region, currently we are conducting MDA at the Lake region, and we are targeting approximately 1.8 school-age children in 94 IU's implementation units. Sustainability for us, we are currently using the CHPs.
Tiyo gi yath miluongo ni praziquantel mwadhi ng'iyo kaka wathiedho nyithindo chakre higa 5 nyaka higa 14. Wadhi wuotho e dhot ka dhot, to nitie joma boyudo kata e kanisni sani skul olor. Wakwayo jonyuol mondo mi gi ensure ni kata ka gidhi kanisa to gi ensure ni nyithindgi ochiemo, nikech yath mwadhi chiwo ni nyaka nyathi kuong chiem.
Dr. Nsonge kinde twak mane ne ojiwo 10 counties e piny Kenya mangima mondo koro med keto omenda tenge e budget margi mar kedo kod tuochegi e counties go.
Cannot sustain. We can reduce this burden of infections on Minyo, but it will come back if we don't look at water safety, we don't look at behavior change, we don't look at the country engaging in providing even additional medicines for the adults, because WHO mainly brings for the children and for the women in the reproductive age group.
Apisa mochune kedo kod tuochego mane osejwang' ka iparo ni giserumo neglected tropical diseases e kaunti ma Migori Nicholas Makuro wach ni bende ji madongo e gwenge ma tuoni mar kachocho pod nitie malo ma oting'o ward ma Meoro, ward ma Wiga, Got Kachola kaachiel kod Kachieng' e kaunti ma Migori bende dhi mi yath mar tuo mar kachocho.
For the hotspot wards, which is Wiga ward, Got Kachora, Muhuru, and Kachieng, we are targeting everybody because those are wards which have a preference of 50% and above.
Ka opogore kod chiwo yath mar tuo mar kachocho, ogande sub-county ma Wendo kaachiel kod Rongo bende dhi mi yath mar njofni.
For soil transmitted elements, we'll be targeting the sub-counties of Awendo and Rongo sub-counties. We'll be giving children of between 1 year and above, and drugs are safe.
Kaunti ma Migori sani nitiere kod 18.9% mag jogo mantie kod tuono mar kachocho. Tuo mabende osetudi kod tiyo kod pige ma ochido, losruok e bungu kaachiel kod mamoko.
Also, there are some other interventions like taking safe water, avoiding water invested snails or contaminated with Sakeria, so to avoid exposing themselves to water infested snails.
Jolony mag thieth wacho tuo mar kachocho kaachiel kod tuoche moko bende ne osejwang' pano oserumo maonge kaka neglected tropical diseases nyalo mana rumo ka oromo higa mar 2030 poni koro ji duto ma oting'o 10 counties koro keto maino ma oting'o keto omenda tenge ma inyalo tigo e kedo kod tuoni.
It's not enough, but it's a good way to start. There is in increment. Last year it was 900,000. This year is 2.3 million.
George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Kambi mar Victory Farms matimo pith mar rech e KJS e gwenge maro e kachung'od bura ma Suba South koro chano mar yaro kargi maloso nyithi rech go kaka achiel kuom chenro magin godo mar konyo kedo gi nok mar rech e alwora ma Nam Lolwe. Ywak osebedo e kind jolupo matiyo gi Nam Lolwe e wi kwan rech ma sani odok piny mokalo e nam kaluwore gi wach ma tiyo kod gige lupo ma ok ni kare ma bende miyo jolupo ma Kenya dhi law chenro ma Kilua e piny libamba ma Uganda gi Tanzania. Ten kambi mar Victory Farms wacho ni gichano mar medo kwan nyithi rech ma gigolo e kambino gi e kind $4 million nyaka $6 million e dwe ka dwe mondo mi kwan rech omedre e Nam Lolwe. Apisa mochung' ne dongruok e kambino Sisa Asio oyango ni chenro ma kamano gidhi chako higa manyien ka gigeto ma jolo jolupo ahinya to mago matimo pith rech e KJS mondo mi okonygi tieko nok mar rech.
Next year, which will start to make an impact on making sure that tilapia is fresh and affordable for all Kenyans. Great shortage of jobs and a great shortage of income in fishing communities all throughout Lake Victoria and more broadly in Nyanza. And so what it means if we can add 4 million or 6 million fingerlings per month, that can mean hundreds of jobs for locals within the Nyanza area working for Victory Farms.
But nikech wabiro bedo gi mo fingerlings, mano bende biro translate into rech momedore e chiche. To rech momedore e chiche biro nyuolo ohala mar mama samaki molo kaka 15,000 manitie sani. So waneno ni higa mabiro 2026 dongruok mabiro bedo e Victory Farms biro nyuolo ohala mang'eny e Kenya te korka uso rech.
Kwayo podi medo chwal ne piny owacho gi riwruoge mopogore opogore mondo med chwalo kony ne jogo ma midhiero mar sienyruok malo nojuko e Chosongoche County ma Elgeyo Marakwet. Mairi biro e seche macheno mar manyo ringre ji 9 mapok oyud nyaka sani dhi nyime. Kanoloso e Chesongoch, jatelo mochune kedo gi masiche masieko apoya e kanisa ma Salvation Army bade maimbo ma Kenya Benjamin Omuga owacho ni jodak makono kale matek mokalo kaluwore gi thoe kod lal mamoko manojukogi e kinde masirano kowacho ni pod gidwaro kony mopogore opogore. Okwayo serikal mondo tim manyalo mar manyo ne jodak makono kuonde ma ginyalo jotie ka bende okwayo jopiny mondo mi kik us gige momigi kaka kony.
Tunajua kwa sababu ya baridi kama kanisa tukaona ni vyema kila mmoja aweze kupata blanketi ndiposa ajisikie ako na mtu ambaye anamjali mahali.
Kuna wengine ambao kwa njia moja au nyingine wataenda madukani kuanza kuuza hapa na pale. Haki na wasihi, tunawasihi sana. Hakikisha chakula hicho kidogo ambacho mmeweza kupokea tafadhali tumia kwa njia ifaayo.
And in fact the government has given a lot of humanitarian assistance in terms of the food stuff and the non-food materials. We hope that everything, because of your coming and at least other agency visiting us all the time, everything will be at least done in a very smooth way and in a seamless way.
Tunaomba hata wahisani wengine waendelee kusaidia watu wetu.
Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV ma en Ramogi TV to magi gin weche manyien mag migago an gi ote adek kende. Hello Ramogi TV lero singa ka pith rech e KJS dhi nyime mondisore an Faith kaeto machielo wacho ni yedhe ka chocho godongo manade jowadu. Haya Pauline wacho noneno migago maber ka entiere kaunti ma Siaya kaeto Ashbel Omondi Wuotge Malunga migago dhi maber sana. Wachak watudra ne bang' thuolo machuok mondo wakeli mamoko.
Massive savings every week with
Citizen Duka and Quickmart. Simply dial *487*5#. Shop, pay, and pick up your product at any Quickmart supermarket near you. Citizen Duka, the home of discounts.
Citizen Duka, the home of discounts.
Na mwanafunzi bora katika somo la hesabu ni Suleiman Yakobo. Bora kwa Kiingereza Suleiman Yakobo.
Suleimani tena? Kwani huyu Suleimani ana nini?
Bwana ni yeye. Kwa kila somo. Tulieni wenzangu. Mwanangu yuwajitahidi. Nami kama mzazi nina siri. Siri ni nice. Ninapolisha familia na hakikisha na